What's up, Warriors? Alan Davis here, your brother in arms turned AI entrepreneur. Let's talk about something we all crave but never seem to have enough of: time. Now, I don't mean time management or any of that corporate fluff. I mean real freedom. The kind where you can wake up, grab a cup of coffee, and actually feel present. No stress, no grind, no boss blowing up your inbox at 0600. Just freedom. But if you're like me, you probably realize that life after the military somehow got busier. You traded the uniform for a job that eats up your day, a side hustle that eats up your night, and responsibilities that never clock out. I get it. I used to think the only way to win was to work harder than everyone else. That was the soldier in me, the part that believed sweat equals success. But here's the truth I had to learn the hard way. You can't outwork the system if you're stuck inside it. The secret isn't working harder, it's working smarter. And for me, that shift started when I discovered AI. Yeah, artificial intelligence, my new digital battle buddy, the one that doesn't complain, doesn't need sleep, and doesn't ask for weekends off. See, I used to be the guy doing everything manually, writing emails, editing videos, building funnels, answering customer messages, and burning out faster than a Humvee on half a tank. I thought success meant being busy, but what it really meant was being trapped. Then I stumbled across a few AI tools that completely flipped the script. I realized AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to replicate us. It's like cloning your best self, the version that works perfectly, never gets tired, and executes every task without fail. Let me give you an example: ChatGPT. That's your idea factory. It helps me write blogs, scripts, and emails in a fraction of the time. Zapier, that's my logistics NCO. It connects all my apps together so when a lead signs up, they automatically get a welcome email, get added to my CRM, and start receiving my follow up sequence, all while I'm sleeping. Then there's Freedom Funnel, my digital command center. It's where the mission happens. It automates everything from lead capture to follow ups to sales, freeing me up to focus on strategy, creativity, and yes, actually living my life. That's when it hit me. The real enemy isn't competition, it's time poverty. You can always make more money, but you'll never make more time. Every day you delay automation, you're trading your freedom for busy work. And for what? A few extra dollars that vanish faster than your paycheck at the class 6? No thanks. I'd rather build a system that runs without me than a job that runs me into the ground. Let me break this down the way my mentor Jonathan Montoya taught me. I call it the Freedom Automation Blueprint. Step 1: build your digital foundation. You need a funnel, an offer, and an email list. That's your base of operations. Step 2: integrate your AI squad. ChatGPT for writing, Zapier for workflows, and Funnel Freedom to connect it all. Step 3: let data drive your growth. AI tools can track conversions and audience behavior better than any spreadsheet ever could. And step 4: duplicate yourself through content. Your videos, posts, and automations are your digital soldiers, working 24/7 to bring in leads while you live your life. When I set this up, something crazy happened. I went from working 12-hour days to checking in for maybe two. I stopped feeling like I was chasing success and started feeling like I was commanding it. Suddenly, I could take my daughter to school. I could hit the gym without worrying about checking emails. I could actually breathe again. That's what time freedom feels like. And it's something most people never experience because they're too busy hustling. And here's the kicker: once you experience it, you can't go back. You realize life isn't about constant motion, it's about meaningful motion. The kind that happens when you're finally working on the mission that matters, not just clocking in for someone else's. You didn't go through years of discipline, deployments, and sacrifice just to end up a slave to your calendar. You earned the right to live free. So if you're watching this thinking, man, I want that kind of life, but I don't even know where to start here. I built a free training for veterans and service members just like you. It's called the Freedom Ascension course, and it walks you step by step through setting up your first AI powered business. Even if you've never built anything online before, you'll learn how to automate 80% of your workload, create content faster than ever, and finally have time for the things that matter most. Because this isn't just about money, it's about time. And once you realize how powerful it feels to buy your time back, everything changes. You stop surviving and you start living. So hit that link below to join the free course. This is your mission briefing for freedom. Let AI handle the grind while you handle the mission. Stay sharp, stay free, and as always, built for warriors, powered by AI. Subscribe.